See, my people, you just coming in so quick, man. Huh? Happy Saturday, man. Preparing this gadget, you know. Just wait, give me a little time, man. Yeah, good morning everybody, man. This is Saturday, man. Saturday. We're gonna do our own full house gym today using all the equipment we got. Just give us a few minutes, my friend, to set up things, to get things set up, you know. Yeah, we're gonna get things set up, my friend. We got our own got our watch, the watch that always watch our health. That watch, we're charging it. Yeah, we are charging it. So give us a little bit of patience because we're gonna pin some product on this page, on this video. Yeah, it's been a long time we did something like this. We do this every Saturday. Yes, Saturday workout, man. Saturday workout, man. I don't have product pinned to that live now. No product is pinned over there now because of the music I'm using. That's why I'm still thinking, how am I gonna do this show? Even with the music, we don't like to be getting copyright, but we want to do a very good show, my friend. Good show. We have done this gym Monday to Friday. Today is Saturday. Yeah, I always say we have tried, my friend. We have tried. Have we not tried? We still wake up on Saturday, still looking healthy and looking good. That's what we preach on this channel. Just look good. If you have no reason for looking good, look good for nothing. You know that my own fitness show, my fitness show always come with some kind of stories embedded inside it. You know, even telling stories alone makes you look good when you are telling stories. This is why I put stories inside my own show, because the story I put makes me smile. You know, telling story to somebody is a kind of therapy. It makes you smile. Oh, mommy, I don't talk, man. My voice can't run away sometimes. My voice run away sometimes. Doesn't want to come out. I do. What the hell is that? My voice is running away. Say that. Let me take some. Hey, I take some miso. Miso. Just one song. Find something. Let me find something good. Find something good. Get me some good music, my friend. Let's put one good music. Give me good music, man. You know, I love good music. You know, I've had this one a lot.